Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we will discuss about installing a WordPress plugin from cPanel. Here you can see this is our website where I want to install a plugin from cPanel. Let's go to dashboard and in plugin sections, here you can see these are some plugins that I have installed. Now I want to install Elementor Pro plugin. How I can do that? First of all, we need to log in into our hosting account. Here you can see login button. After that, click here login into cPanel. So now here you can see we are logged in into cPanel. There is another way to open cPanel. Just you can add cPanel after your website name. And here you can get cPanel link where you can provide your cPanel details, for example username and password. So from where you will get these details, here you can see after purchasing hosting you will get this type of details in your email. And here you can see this is cPanel username and password. So this will be unique and different for your own hosting. So let's check. After that, scroll down. Here you can see various options. Just we need to go in file manager. Now on the left side you can see these are all the websites that are added in this cPanel. So let's find our website. After that, here you can see these are various folders. Just go to WP content. The next, click here plugins. Here you can see these are all the plugins that are added. Now if we want to upload a new plugin, just click here upload and after that upload plugin file. Scroll down. Here you can see this is the plugin file that I want to upload. If we right click on it, here you can see this is a format, RAR format. But this is the different format. We want to upload a zip format. Just you can extract this file. Click here. So here you can see extraction has been started. After that you will get in the folder format. Then go here. Here you can see this is the final file that we want to upload. You can see the file format. Just click here on the properties. Here you can see zip file. If you want to convert any simple folder into zip file, just right click on that and after that go to send to. Here you can see compressed zip folder. In this way you can convert your simple file into zip file. Just click here on the plugin file and here you can see file upload is complete. Now we need to go back, reload the page. So now here you can see we got plugin file in zip format. Now we need to extract this file. Just right click and click on extract. So here you can see we have extracted and now go to plugin sections. Let's refresh the page. So here you can see we got a plugin. Just we can activate this one. So in this way you can install a WordPress plugin from cPanel.